Hey guys, today we're gonna make elephant toothpaste. You'll need hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, yeast, and water. A fourth a cup of water, and a spoon. So first we will put one, two, and three. You can do two, but I just did three because who cares if you do it two or three? Then you want to add soap to your hydrogen peroxide. Then you can pick any type of food coloring that you want. I just did red and blue because it makes cool colors. Don't get it on your hands. I've figured that out already. Now we have to mix this. I could have mixed it before, but
What is that?
this is the yeast and water, so it's just yeast and water. Now we're gonna dump it inside. Oh, we need glasses before we do it. The elephant toothpaste is made.